Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this beautiful and practical book. For the first round, make a slip knot like this and then make 63 chains. Next, start the next step by working into the second chain. You need to make 6 half double crochet . When you crochet the last one, then slip stitches 6 times. Now you need 16 half double crochet. Then 60 slip stitches. And again 16 half double crochet. Now 6 slip stitches again. Then 6 half double crochet. After finishing this row, you have something like this. Make one chain and turn it. Again start with 6 half double crochet but in back loops, so don't forget that. Then put the hook in the back loops and make 6 slip stitches. Then 16 half double crochet in back loops. After that, again 6 slip stitches in back loops. Then again 16 half double crochet in back loops. Then 6 slip stitches and 6 half double crochet in back loops. When you complete this row, make one chain and turn. Repeat rows 3 and 4 the same ways as above. Don't forget, do it in the back loops and 1 chain in the end of each rows. After finishing, make 1 more chain, then cut the yarn, leaving a line tail so you can hide it with needles. Now fold over as shown in the video. Cut a line piece of yarn and wrap it around the bow as I'm showing in the video. Follow the rest of the steps with the video. Now you have a very beautiful bow for hair clips in any size of yarn. This is so nice. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video.